I didn't have that video recording. Okay, there's Owl's eyes looking at us. You can't really see. He's up there, but there are some photos I will join onto this. So yeah, he's still around. Oh, his bright eyes looking straight at me. Hello. Hello. Oh, you're looking around the other way now. His head just turned. Lucy, the dog's straight under him. Or her. But Lucy has no idea. So it's just turning his head around this way to see his eyes. Or just one eye now. But how cool is that? It's meant to be good luck, and we found a cricket today too, so hey, maybe
Lucy's looking at it now.
I should put the lotto on. Lucy. Well, Lucy's good with birds. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a wonderful week ahead. God bless. Take care.